Hey, it's your boy, El Gallo Negro, back at it again with another video. So, before we get into it, I want to say like, comment, share, subscribe, push the notification bells, all that great shit. But before we get into it, I do want to say share this. Share it with a cop, share it with a family member that's a cop, share it with someone that you know that's a cop, share it with someone that has a cop in the family. I hope you did that. Because, I mean, I know it doesn't take that long to share. But let's get into it. So, cops. I want to be a cop. Cops are great. I want to be one. For a different reason, though. For a different view. So, I want to say that cops, this is my point of view on cops. Cops are here to help us. To serve and protect, right? They're here to serve us and protect the government. Yeah. They're here to serve the government and protect. No, they're here to serve the government and protect us. My bad. I got that all mixed up. Excuse me. So, what do I mean by that? They serve the government because, they're paying them, but they're here to protect us. What do I mean? I mean that you're a cop, right? But you have some benefits, like being in the army. You get certain benefits, right? Not everyone's going to get that same benefit. At the end of the day, your family might get that benefit, but where they family get those benefits, well, your brother get those benefits, well, your sister get those benefits, your mom, your dad, your friends, whatever, whoever, right? I understand it's your job. But bro, sister, you have a family. And like I said, yeah, you might get certain benefits. That's why maybe certain cops don't give a fuck. But if you guys don't, at the end of the day, you guys are with your family. And everyone knows that, well, certain people will choose family no matter what, right? So, what I'm saying is that if cops see something that's not right, why don't they stand up, and be on our side instead? Because they're neutral. That's what they are, man. Like, might sound fucked up, but they're neutral, man. Like, that's how what I feel. That's what I see. That they're supposed to be on both sides, And just because they're neutral, it doesn't mean that they're not going to share their thinking. Yes, they're going to have to, because there can't be good and there can't be bad. There got to be a balance, right? So, I just want to say, if you're a cop, why did you become a cop? Why do certain stuff lead to the certain stuff you end up doing? Like, I'm not saying your actions are justified, I'm not saying your actions are wrong or good. Nothing. I don't know anything, But what I do know is that cops are supposed to be, it just makes sense that they're supposed to be a neutral. Because like I said, like, you go with your family. Like, let's say one of your family, like your partner's family, like cousin, an uncle, I don't know, someone important for their life. They come and they say, hey, what can I do? Well, I don't like this or I don't like that. Your partner might side with them, right? It's family. But if they don't, I don't know what to say. But, they're going to side with family. And obviously, you're going to side with your partner because that's how it is, So, I'm just saying that if you guys know, I'm not saying that you guys know. You obviously don't. But I'm trying to say that we aren't trying to make you guys look bad. You guys are making yourself look bad. And that's what's fucked up, because no one wants to, when a cop and a civilian is arguing, no one wants to listen to no one, because for one, the cop, they want to think they're right, and the civilian, since they know their laws, they're just gonna keep arguing. So this is what I mean. Instead of arguing, why don't we do something about it? Like, we don't have to be like, oh yeah, let's be peaceful. Obviously it's not gonna happen, but we don't have to fucking argue, like, you know what I mean, man? Like, I don't know, man, but I hope this video makes sense. Let me see what I'm at. I'm at 5. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it at that, because I don't want to make any bigger or larger, longer the video. But yeah, man, I just want to say that I understand that it's your job. I understand that, it's not personal. But bro, we're supposed to be in this together, right? We're supposed to be humans united. Might sound silly, but then again, bro, why haven't we tried it? We were gonna try it back in the 80s and the 70s when all the hippies were there. But what did the government say? No, let's make all that shit illegal. Let's make war. Fuck all this shit. I'm just kidding, bro. You guys, I be smoking a lot, Don't listen to what I say. But yeah, man. I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you guys kind of feel what I'm talking about. And I hope you guys share this and, see how far this video can go, because like I said, it might sound silly, bro, but peace, man. You know what? When you go, people that like to go out hiking and shit, and they get some peace, they fucking love it. And you guys know that too. People that have kids, you guys be like, oh my God, if they could just shut up, get some peace. You see what I mean, man? There's too much fucking anger going out right now. Why? For 1 year, 1 month, let's just go out without doing anything bad. Let's just be peaceful. Let's just see what's up, Like, might sound silly, but then again, man, everything that we're doing here is silly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys, can understand what I'm trying to say. But that's it. And I might make a video tomorrow about smoking. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys take care. You guys subscribe, all that good shit. Look at my socials. Let me know what you guys think. Follow me, because I'm trying to start something. And I'm just tired, man. I'm just tired of all this bullshit. And like that's another thing, man. I feel like no one really does anything. Like, for example, with soccer, you have a captain, right? Your captain ain't working, you might not have put in the work. You know what I mean? So if you see your captain putting in the work, obviously your team's going to put in the work. Why? Because as soon as one starts getting motivated, another person starts getting motivated. And what happens when two people get motivated? There's great energy and great balance between them. And then they're going to go on and make some more. Okay, I'm just going to stop there. But you guys take care. Gallo fucking out, bitches. Work out, because something's coming. Y'all stay safe. Y'all stay safe.